A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant escalation of tensions between the United States and the International Criminal Court, ICC, the U.S. State Department has announced new sanctions targeting for ICC judges and prosecutors. This decision has sparked widespread condemnation from various international figures and organizations, highlighting the complex relationship between national security and international law. The officials sanctioned include 2 judges and 2 prosecutors, with Secretary of State Marco Rubio labeling the ICC as a national security threat and accusing it of engaging in lawfare against the U.S. and its allies, particularly Israel. The ICC has responded robustly, stating that these sanctions represent a flagrant attack on its independence and impartiality, undermining the principles of the rules-based international order. The ICC, which operates as a global court with the authority to prosecute individuals for genocide, war crimes, and crimes against humanity, has been under scrutiny for its investigations into actions taken by various nations, including the U.S. and Israel. The sanctions come in the wake of the ICC issuing arrest warrants for Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu and his former Defense Minister Yoav Gallant, alleging their involvement in war crimes during the ongoing conflict in Gaza. Netanyahu welcomed the U.S. sanctions, describing them as a firm measure against the mendacious smear campaign directed at Israel. The implications of these sanctions are profound, as they prohibit the sanctioned officials from accessing or benefiting from any property or interests they hold in the United States. This move has drawn criticism from France, which expressed dismay at the sanctions, particularly as one of its judges, Nicolas Guillou, is among those targeted. The French Foreign Ministry emphasized that these actions contradict the principle of an independent judiciary, a sentiment echoed by the ICC itself. The ongoing conflict between the ICC and the U.S. raises important questions about the future of international law and the role of global institutions in holding powerful nations accountable. As the situation develops, it remains to be seen how this will affect the ICC's operations and its ability to pursue justice for victims of war crimes and crimes against humanity globally. The international community is watching closely, as this episode could set a concerning precedent for the relationship between national sovereignty and international justice. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.